Hello everyone, this is Poonam Sahani and I am here to share another story, another experience from my life, from which I learned a huge lesson about believe in yourself, trust in God, and keep taking the actions when things are not working as you want, the way you want to be. Never lose hope. So, let's start the story. It is afternoon post lunch, and I am sitting on my chair, on my desk, in deep thought, very disappointed because I got no from the team whom I was participating in the Rangoli competition because they have included another person and now I cannot be part of that team, and disappointed because 2 days later that Rangoli competition was scheduled, and whomsoever I was contacting, they had already participated in some team. So that was making me frustrated, disappointed. Then I thought, by disappointing, I can't do anything. Let's take action. Let's do my best. And I contacted so many persons, so many women, so many girls to form a new team from different operations, different functions. And then I got success in forming the team. We formed a new team and decided the activity amongst ourselves, who will be making the creative, who will be bringing the material, and who would be preparing the presentation, and all that arrangement we did. We played our role very beautifully. Good coordination was there in all of 5 members, and the day come, we reached on the Rangoli hall, and checked the material we had, and when Rangoli competition started, we also started working on that and decided the activities, who would be preparing and who would be like making other stuff required for this Rangoli. So, and once we are done, we prepared, then I prepared the presentation, how it would be presented to the judges, and competition completed, the judges came, and we also presented the way we planned. We distributed very beautifully, decided very beautifully who would be presenting what content, and we delivered accordingly. And the result was to be announced. We reached in that hall, and we were waiting, and then announcement were being made. First runner, third runner up, second runner up, first runner up, third position, second position, and we were like getting disheartened, like we didn't get any position. So still I was encouraging myself and my team that yes, we are winning this, we are winning this. And guess what happened? The first position guesses were about to made, like they were saying guess who has the winner, and we were announced the winner. I was very happy. It is really an amazing experience, that a situation where I was struggling to form a team, and here the another situation where My team won the first prize. This is really amazing, and I learned a huge lesson from this experience, that believe in yourself. Don't give up. Destiny has planned better for you what you are thinking. So have trust in destiny, in God.